When auscultating lung sounds, ask the patient to breathe in and breathe out for each auscultation point. Start just above the clavicle to measure the apex of each lung. Move down to the upper lobes. Then to the middle lobe of the right lung and the upper lobe of the left lung. We finish by auscultating the lower lobes of each lung. On the posterior side, auscultate the apex of each lung just above the scapula. Move midline, avoiding auscultation over the scapula as you listen to the upper lobes. Work your way down the lower lobes of each lung, remembering to auscultate the right and left lung before moving to the next auscultation point.